Hello, welcome to the channel. In this video, we'll create game day poster design. Please like and subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Create a gradient layer, choose black and white gradient. And now change the color code is displaying on screen. Gradient style radial and tick on the reverse. Go to Text tool or press T for shortcut, font name, Game Day. Make it bigger and change its text and color. Color red. Duplicate the text 3 times. Bring all 3 text layers down. Select the second text and opacity 74%. Select third text and opacity 36%. Select fourth text and opacity 10%. While selecting fourth text, give it a layer mask and go to Gradient Tool or shortcut G and drag like this. Now bring the LeBron James image to canvas. You can find this image link in description. Let's give it some effect to make it look good. Go to Filter and Camera, Raw Filter and follow the settings. Now give it drop shadow and follow the settings. Create a new layer and go to Brush tool or shortcut. B, choose Soft Brush and create a shadow like this. Let's make it more softer shadow. Select the text and press Alt and drag to copy. Right-click on the text layer and create a smart object. Now press Ctrl, T, right-click, and perspective. Now press Alt and select the corner of text and drag it. Now select the LeBron image and shadow layer and drag it down. Now select all the text behind the LeBron image and press Shift, stretch the text. Now select the surface text, go to FX and Gradient Overlay. Color code is displaying on screen. Hide the fourth text layer for a while. Go to Text tool or shortcut T and write player name. You can add LeBron information, but for now I am choosing dummy text. Unhide the fourth text layer now. Now bring the grunge texture to Photoshop. Blending mode overlay. Bring the lens flare and blending mode. Linear dodge add. Now your poster is ready. Thanks for watching.